Let's build a consumer list using Salesgenie. Perfect for finding new clients and understanding your existing clients. First things first, make sure you're toggled to Consumer at the top. Click on Search for Leads. Click Filters. Pick the traits that match your ideal customer, like age, income, homeowner status, or lifestyle interests. Want people turning 65? Type in 64 to 64. You can also use birth month to select which months they will be turning 65.
Geographic filters follow a top down hierarchy: state, city, zip code, then carrier route. When multiple levels are selected, it uses the largest area.
Looking for a specific filter? Type it into the search filters bar up top. That makes it a lot easier to find what you're looking for. Once your filters are all set, hit Apply Filters. Click Save List so you don't lose your work, and you're ready to go. That's it. Your consumer list is built and ready to boost your next campaign.